Hey guys, this is the airsoft video. We're doing it in someone's backyard. So let's just, it's pretty hard to see right now. I'm only using a flashlight. It's in the middle of the night. So let's just go see what the other base is doing. Don't, there's a guy right here.
It's me.
Oh. Hey, it's just me, Don't shoot, don't shoot.
Got it. We got it. Come up here. Did you get shot? Yeah. Did it hurt? Yeah. Where'd you get shot? That. Ready, Liam? What? Liam, ready? What are you doing? Watch, come on. What are you doing? Okay, you go back there. Nobody's shooting at us. Back there, there's no... I can't see. Let's see that thing?
Yeah.
Let's see. Turn it that way. Ah, cool.
Hello.
My eyes. What'd you shoot? I know it hurts. Are they shooting at us? Can you spray them?
You guys
shoot you? Yeah.
Does anyone want to try out this? Wait, here, hold the camera.
Ryan, are you okay?
Here, someone hold the camera with the flashlight.
Friendly fire!
Hold the gun.
No, I want the gun.
No.
Are you okay?
Someone hold this.
I'm so sorry, Ryan. Are you okay? I'm so
This is
sorry.
good.
Friendly fire! I friendly fired Ryan! Conrad! I shot Ryan on accident! Right there! Where's the flashlight? Oh, buddy, I'm so sorry.
Here, someone hold the flashlight. Where's
the flashlight?
Right here.
Are you gonna shoot? Wait, why?
Don't shoot!
Why?
Because I have to get my safety goggles back on.
5!
Because I have to get my safety goggles.
Are you okay?
I want to see what it looks like.
Does that hurt a lot?
Not really. Where is it? I don't even know where it is.
It's not even got there anymore. Did it? Oh, it's right there. I see it.
Okay, ready, guys?
Look at it. See it?
It's going! They're starting!
See it?
I can't see it. Oh, there it is.
Okay, guys.
It's not that bad. It's not as bad as it
Shine the light.
Where?
Right over there.
Are you like, whose team are you on?
I'm just showing you guys what it is.
How many FPS did it have?
490.
Oh,
Wow.
shit. Here,
Well,
take
I
it.
want to get friendly fired with that.
No, don't worry. Okay, guys!
3, 2, 1, go!
That really hurt.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Don't find it.
It's Jalen!
I'm not
I'm walking out! Don't shoot!
Don't shoot it!
Want them to trade?
Okay, sure.
I need to see better.
Here, you can have these.
Hi.
It takes so long to reload. I wish I brought my gun.
Okay, I'm recording you.
You can help us or something?
Uh,
Can I use your,
No,
why?
because it's boss.
Those are batteries.
What kind of gun is that again?
P90.
P90?
The batteries use the M16.
Do you have any other gun, Connor?
Huh? No, I just have the pistol.
Okay, use the pistol. Use them to 16. If you guys are out of luck after that, then, do you know how to reload that, Yui? You know, screw it, Yui. Yui, you can just use my pistol.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Yui, I'm going in. Cover me.
Oh,
Fuck, get down.
they have the light.
Oh, just to tell you, Yui's using my pistol. I'm walking out. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Camera. Where are you guys? Okay, don't shoot. Jalen. Camera. Don't shoot on camera. Let me see what you look like. Come on. Where's... Jalen! It's Jalen! Don't worry, it's me. Sorry.
Dead? Have to
Put on full.
Who's your medic?
everybody.
Everybody?
Put on full, then shoot it.
Len's calling you.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, he's running out. This cameraman standing up, don't shoot! Cameraman, coming out, don't shoot! Cameraman! Don't shoot! London, you can't stand up from there. You can't go up there. Can't go up there. Hey, cameraman, camera coming in. For your dad gun, yeah.
One with the pistol.
It's too risky. I'm reloading. Thanks. Okay, cover me.
Lun's coming up, just to tell you.
He's coming?
Yep.
Get him.
Just from the right.
If he comes, snipe him. I know where Liam is too, but the pistol's not strong enough. Shine the light on this pistol.
What?
Okay, never mind. It's good.
No?
Shine.
He's coming from the right.
Is he going around? Shine the light on that wood stack.
Sorry, not your maid. Sorry, can't do that.
Hey, Yui, or Jalen, shine the wood on the
No,
light.
sorry. I'm not gonna do that.
Shoot it. This battle's not going anywhere. Like stupid when it comes to this.
Okay, guys. So we changed the game to medic. So what's gonna happen is that Yui and Liam are gonna be medics. So if the medic gets shot down, then what happened is that you have to sit down.
Where you going, bud?
And once you get shot, you have to sit down until the medic comes. But if the medic gets shot, then he has to sit down, and then it's do or die. You get shot, and then you fall down, and then whoever wins.
We're starting!
Okay, we're gonna start.
Wait, Yui's
Let's see how this goes.